So here we can see now on how the idle drops off at a warm temperature. And it hovers around 800 to 900. And eventually, once you put this in gear, it will drop off. I'm going to go now into D, and you can see it's normal. And now we go into N and into reverse. And you can see you have a smooth transition in all switching and a minimal change in the gears here. So this is getting a lot closer. This is about after 15 starts and 3 drivings. So you can see I haven't gotten any more miles on it. But that's basically where we are at this point. So it starts up the way it is supposed to be. It could be a little bit higher, but the engine is warm now. But we will change out the fuel cutoff relay to a Mercedes-Benz one, which I have coming. And then I still have to recap the ECU. And we're going to have a couple other things we're going to change, and I will update you guys.